So diving into homeowners, the entire purpose of a homeowner's policy is to indemnify, meaning that person has just lost everything they own and they need, a place to live. So if everything burns to the ground, okay, that's going to be our dwelling coverage A. So I always think of the house and the walls. Let me pop over. So it is literally the physical structure of your home. Any attached structures, garages, decks, from any sort of damage, fire, windstorm, hail, vandalism. If something were to happen to that home, we want to make sure dwelling coverage A is enough, that it is calculated enough to rebuild that home. As we know, the price of everything is increasing. My grandmother would be screaming about the price of eggs right now, right? I'm sure your grandmothers would too. But here's the point. The cost of wood, nails, and labor have increased. So when you're quoting a homeowner's policy, keep that in mind. I like to ask for declaration pages. Mr. and Mrs. Customer, do you mind emailing me your current declaration pages? They're going to look like a receipt and list all your coverages. It's super easy if you obtain information via email. It's a great record and it gives you a timestamp that you can put right into their profile on a CRM, customer relations management system. So super important there that you're able to look at their prior policy if that is something you have access to. Now, on the other hand, most companies are going to have a calculator built right inside. So this is called estimated replacement cost, right? What it'll do is it'll calculate the actual cost of the rebuild on the home. Some agents' offices are going to take square feet times 170, and that's going to be dwelling coverage A. So it really just depends on where you are, but make sure it's accurate. If you write the policy for $300,000, but it's actually going to cost $500, the underwriter might bounce that back to you. And last thing you want is any sort of delays or corrections when you're writing a policy. So super important there.